Yardstyle live.
So me see you play the me see the first. Which sound you used to play first?
But honestly, the first sound was, I learned how to play sound at Jam 1 HQ.
Yeah, it's a next school that too, you know.
Yeah, and Adlai, I use him Adlai Richards, you never find you know. Big up yourself, you him there in New England. Bro, I show me the game. And then once I go around Jam 1 them now, them show me the real Brataka now and say, yo, see all I record them there. See sound there. Practice. I was there every day after school.
Yeah, man.
You understand?
Now you left school and go the other school.
Yeah. Once I left school, a different thing. You take them time there. Alright, enough people don't even know say Raz and Biggie. I'm lift up my glass.
No, Raz and Biggie, them was it a UTech. Them was the biggest, yeah.
Listen, but I'm gonna tell you this that you don't know.
Teach me.
Raz was like my little son. Biggie, still one of my son. You understand me? Biggie, sister linked me and say, yo, my brother want to be a DJ. At first I was like, you serious? And she called me like 2 times, I was busy, and then when she called me like the 3rd time, I said, no sir. She serious about this, you know? I'm gonna check her. I'ma start giving DJ lessons. Like go there with the vinyl them and the turntable them.
Yeah, the whole
and
setup.
show him the whole thing. Yo, catch a bar them,
And cute.
Wagwan, you're tuned to Yardstyle live.